Okay, well, this is my little lightweight, knockdown, portable, sturdy, adjustable height mini lathe stand. So I take this around when I go to people's houses for SIGs and for group gatherings for the turning. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to assemble the little guy. So here we go. I have a right hand piece and a piece for the front. That goes down here. And then I have this back. I have the front here. That goes here. Ow, pinched my fingers. Watch that. Pinch hazard. And then we have this side. Set that in. Set that in. And then we have the back. I'll spare you the back side. Just like that, it's pretty sturdy, but I also have some wedges that I use to hold everything together, just to keep it sturdy. Driven home with this massive hammer. But I've learned it's easy to push them all the way through if I use a really big hammer. So the little one does its job fine. Push, push. I don't know what my time will be, but the video will tell me. So we'll see how fast I can do this. Doesn't take too long. That one, knock it in. Go as well. Then I have the stand for the top of it. Is this little guy. It's got these little holes down here for adjustable height, and then in the side you see there's these little rings. These are just washers with notches cut in them. And I made these little plugs. See if I can't get up on there. I don't know if you can see that because I can't see what the camera sees, but hopefully you can see that little piece. And if I do this just like this, I get 1-inch increments, and I think mine is the third for me. I teach my students the best height for a lathe is right about elbow when you're standing straight up. And then these little guys, oh wow. So there's the overall. Now everything holds together really sturdy. I have this over here, which is my set of drawers. It is 3 and some odd inches tall, which helps. Oh, we got them backwards. Hold on a second. There. It is backwards, so I have to spin it around. There. Level floor. It's really rigid, really sturdy. Plenty sturdy for a mini lathe, which lives right here. But you get the idea. I can adjust it. I have it written down. It takes anywhere from 36.5 to 48 inches in height, lathe spindle height of my jet mini lathe in 1/2-inch increments. So it kind of works out for just about any height student or user or whoever's using it. But